Hi, this is how to marinate your chicken. We have a curcuma, curry, and rosemary, and these are pepper, salt. We marinate all together, and this is it. Hi friends, welcome back. So we are about to prepare a little stew. So this is my onions. Let me add my tomato. With my tomato can, of which I'm adding to it. This is how to prepare a little stew. Add my pepper. You can see it's fabulous, delicious. That's my crayfish. Add my Maggi cube. It's going to be delicious. Mixed all together. We are boiling our egg over there. And we are going to leave it for some minutes. Leave it for some minutes before we can add our chicken to it, our egg, and that is it. Bon appetit. Wow, this is our chicken. It looks so amazing. It's done already.